junk everywhere. Some time to talk about it. It's break time. I figured I'd give you guys a rundown. So we've been trudging along on bodywork. I told you things were going quick. Normally I wouldn't be past fabrication yet, but I kind of am. I only got just 2 little holes that I found last time in the window trough. There's one in the back and one in the front, but that's the last I need the welder for. So I started doing body work and we're pretty much done. I'm starting to work on this back corner back here. This was hammered really hard and I may make those holes go away. We talked about it, but I needed to fix that dent anyway, the last little dent in the bedside, so in the morning I can knock this stuff off. And this side just needs cleaned. I just finished going through and taking the rest of the paint off of the wheel wells because it was all rusted and then painted over when it got its first paint job. So I got all that out of there and I'm going to treat that in the morning, and then this side's just ready to be cleaned. This side's ready to be treated in the wheel well here. Hit that spot, hit the corner spot, and then this will be ready for primer too. So we should be able to mask this thing up and get her shot. I don't think I need to prime this back here. There's no really work. I just need to get it clean. Jams are clean. Jam's clean. So yeah, we're moving along. Hopefully I'll get primer on that. And then once that's done, I think I'm going to wait to break the bed off of it until I work on some of these loose pieces. I've got the tailgate over here. It had flash rust all through it, so it got stripped all the way to bare metal, and I'm ready to acid treat it and then start doing some body work on it. But it's going to take a little bit of hand blocking because there's several little dents. Like this Y's got a dent right in the middle of it. I got back there, got the panel off and pushed all of it out and tinged it as best I could, but it's still going to need some spot putty here and there and several spots. So as you can see, I mean, if you stand back here you think, oh, there's Bondo all over the whole thing, but no, not really, because you look and it's just super thin. I mean, you can see through it right there. So it's just got what we call a skiff coat on it. There was a dent there and a dent there, so that's why you see it a little thicker. And then all these spots are just where we welded it up. And same thing over here. I mean, we had a thick dent there, big dent there, one there. Well, the rest of this stuff is just really thin spot putty. I mean, I'm not even using Bondo on it. I'm using polyester icing. That's the only product that's gone on it so far. So it's going to be strong. It's going to last a long time. And I'm just trying to make sure that I get all the little rust bits because I've been finding them as I go, and I'm not trying to strip this whole truck down to bare metal. So anyway, there's where we are in the Hilux. There's my camera. I got a bunch of stuff to upload for you guys, so stay tuned. Moving along. Scheduled 2 more. 2 more on the back burner. Things are doing well. So thanks guys for all the love and support. Likes, follows, shares. And of course I've got many irons in the fire, so you guys stay tuned. Appreciate you. Have a great night. Take care.